You look like you have one eye.
Yeah, you look like a cyclops.
I can't believe this is our day.
I know. Love you so much.
I love you too. Oh my God.
Got you a little something to match the ring.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Will you put it on me?
Yeah.
I can't believe this day has come. I am so excited.
We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. Preston and Katie, while the commitment begins with the two of you, its effects radiates outward. It touches your family and friends and ultimately all of society.
The day we've all come together to celebrate Caitlin and Preston on their wedding day. I'm happy that you make Caitlin happy. I'm happy you've become part of our family. And I'm happy I didn't know you when you were sporting diamond studs and a top knot.
Caramel and liquor, whiskey.
Ooh. Oh, whoa.
Yeah. All right. I, Preston, take you, Katie,
To be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife.
I give to you,
I give to you,
in the presence of these
in the
witnesses,
presence of these witnesses,
I promise to stay by your side,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in joy and in sorrow,
as well as through the good times and the bad.
as well as through the good times and the bad.
I promise to love you without reservation,
Comfort you in times of distress,
comfort you in times of distress,
Encourage you
to achieve all of your goals,
to achieve all of your goals.
laugh with you and cry with you,
grow with you in mind and spirit,
grow with you in mind and spirit,
Always be open and honest with you,
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
so pretty.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations!
We made it. Thank you.
Woo, the Abbotts!
Our first dance, it's gonna be like prom. To the right. To the right. I'm as
Yeah.
white as they come.
Oh man, I can do that. It's my wedding. There you go. Oh yeah, every other wedding they're like, no, don't do that.
Preston, yeah, you waiting? Yeah, okay, go ahead, kiss her bride.
I'm sweaty.
Same. Love it.
Same.
Moist.
Ew, don't say that word.